If you're here to heal yourself, you've reached the right place. So today is me and my wife's 14th day of our 90-day hard. And I want to say hello to the health enthusiasts and the cake lovers. Welcome back to the kitchen of extreme satisfaction. Today, we're diving into the world of raw desserts with a delicious, whole food, plant-based Mother's Day cake that's as nourishing as it is indulgent. And guess what? There is no baking required. Y'all ready to get started? Because I love sweets, and today I'm guilt-free. Let's go. So today, guys, we'll be using wholesome ingredients like dates, walnuts, and a splash of maple syrup that creates a scrumptious raw cake that's packed with flavor and nutrients. Before we start mixing, let's take a little trip back in time to appreciate the history of cakes. Did you know that cakes date all the way back to ancient civilizations? The Egyptians made a version of honey and grains, evolving over centuries into this sweet delight that we enjoy today. In this meal, I'm going to keep it as close to the Egyptians as possible to really pack in that blast to the past and give you all of the vitamins and minerals and nutrients that your body needs without the guilt. Well, guys, first thing that we're going to do is let's go ahead and blend the base. We're going to start off with the dates, that's here, for the sweetness, and the walnuts. I put pecans as well for a delightful crunch. So I'm just going to go and toss them into the food processor and blend them until it's nice and sticky. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the nuts. Now I'm adding in the dates. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that. Put the top back on there, like so. And I'm just gonna blend that. So while that is blended, I'm also gonna go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of Himalayan sea salt and also sprinkle in a little bit of fun facts to let you guys know about Mother's Day. So you see, the first official celebration of Mother's Day in the US was in 1914, thanks to Anna Jarvis, who wanted to honor her mother's legacy. So every time we celebrate Mother's Day, we're celebrating the love of mothers everywhere. And this is my wife's first Mother's Day, her and my baby boy. So, you know, I'm traditionally making this for her, and then I can bring my mom and all of our mothers a piece of this as well. So this is made with love. That's going to extend hopefully even to your kitchen so that you can make this for your mother so she can have a healthier option and be around and have fun for a lot longer and enjoy good loving moments with you. Look at that. Let me go ahead and bring this to you. It's all here and it's pretty much nice and sticky. Bring it a little bit closer so you can see it. This is a nice and sticky concoction. And what's so fun about these cakes is that I had a dream. I'm like, you know, I probably want to make one of the biggest cakes to really change the world, to make it a lot better. And I'm just putting this here as the crust. So it's going to the bottom. But I wanted to make it up, and I heard that one of the biggest cakes ever made was 128,000 pounds, and this cake was done in Alabama. Now, the only thing I thought about that is that normally when I cook, my wife is the one who cleans up, but it's Mother's Day, so I'll do it. But 128,000 pound cake, who cleans up after that? 128,000 pounds, and who ate all of that? But shout out to Alabama, they really do it big over there. Now that we have our sticky base, we'll just press it into the bottom of the pan just like this. And this raw cake is all about raw energy and nutrients. So no baking is necessary, just pure wholesome goodness. And remember, while we're enjoying our cake, we can still be mindful of our health. So celebration often brings out sugary temptations, but we can indulge without the guilt of choosing healthier options like this. I know a lot of times we, at celebrations like me growing up, it was, cakes and a lot of things that were toxic. Even as an adult, there's alcohol and we formulate ourselves around these toxic things. But we can associate these moments that are sugary in nature, that are very high, because compound sugar can be very addicting, shown by science, and leave you to chase after it. And then also with all the cornstarch and all the additives, it's really not great for your health. So you can choose something that is the same sugar reward, give you that dopamine while all the love is in the air, the celebration, and form great, healthy memories with your family. So as they go on and grow from you, they can choose healthy options without even thinking about it. So now, while our base sets, let's just whip up the creamy frosting using cashews and a splash of maple syrup and a hint of a mystery ingredient that I'll save for the cookbook. Just blend this until it's smooth and creamy. This is the kind of frosting you can feel good about. You know, no refined sugars here. Everything's 100% organic and natural. So there we go. A little bit of that. And some of this. And add in this. Adding in this. And finally, guys, the polyphenol antioxidant with many other things, the one who does the beautiful job is going right into the blender. Just like this. You hear the sound of love? Because I do. I want you to just take, I need to share this with somebody because this is a surprise for my wife. But I'm about to be in tears. Like, look at this. Just look at it before I even pour it. Do you guys see that? Look at that. Look at it. So right now, what we are doing, we are gonna go ahead and layer this, but let me make some room so you can see. Just gonna put that off to the side. So right now, what we are doing, so you can see it. So right now, we're layering on a delicious raw frosting, a delicious raw topping that we all wanted to see. This is the main ingredient that my wife loves. Well, she loves all of it, from the crunch, from the saltiness, from the satiety feeling, from the protein in the beans that's packed, that's been soaked, that's been cultivated the right way. Oh my God, just let me fall in love 100 more times. This cake is not just beautiful. It's a celebration of health and love, perfect for Mother's Day or any occasion where you want to treat yourself without compromising on nutrients, you know? This is nutrient packed, so you don't have to worry. Even if you're on a 90-day hard like me and my wife, which you can join in by going into the comments. Also, you can join in by sending the email, subscribing to our newsletters, and join. We're fighting to change the world and make it a healthier place that you don't have to worry about any of the toxic things and feel like someone's against you, the evil companies, the evil toxic government. You could be in a great place where you're supported and loved on the right way. We're humans. We all need to grow. We all need water like trees. Most importantly, we need love. Love, love, love. Let's go ahead and mix that on very nicely. And maybe I could bring it right in front of you so you can see it mixed on. Just mixed on like so. Mixed on like that. And mixed on. And you guys, I'll let you get to see my wife actually take a taste of this on the surprise on her Mother's Day. And we'll see how she reacts to this meal. How does she feel about this meal here? So there you have it, and you see it. As a wise man once said to me, bam! There you have it. Our raw, whole food, plant-based Mother's Day cake, a delightful way to celebrate the amazing women in our lives with a nourishment for the body. Remember, health is wealth. So let's celebrate with joy and vitality. And look, don't forget, guys, to subscribe and join our 90 Days Challenge. Together, we can build a community that celebrates health and happiness. And join us. Keep watching, because I'm going to post a video of my wife trying this and getting her real reaction. But until next time, stay sweet, stay healthy, and most of all, health is wealth. And oh yeah, happy Mother's Day.